Hello student, welcome back in my online class. Student, today we will continue preposition part 2. In this video, firstly we will start preposition of time and direction. So let's start, student. Number one is at is used for a point of space. Space means place. Space where someone or something is. Student, have a look again. At is used for a point of space or place where someone or something is, जहाँ पर कोई भी चीज या कोई भी पर्सन है. For example, we shall meet him at his office. We can say that at bus station, at railway station, at school, at bank, etc. Have a look use of in for expressing time as preposition. In is used with the name of container, place, area where someone or something is. For example, it is normally used for any space having volume. Have a look the difference in using at and in. At is used for a point of space or time where someone or something is. And what is the difference in using in? And in is used with the name of container, place, area where someone or something is. Now you can say that what is the difference? So in is normally used for any space. It is used for any space having volume. A space which have volume. For example, in almirah, in the chair, etc. For example, the shirt is in the almirah. In the almirah. Here you can say that, you can observe that almirah is a place which have volume, जो वॉल्यूम रखता हो, जो आकार घेरता हो. नेक्स्ट, द पेन इज इन द ड्रॉवर. So you can notice that drawer also have volume. Now we will learn about on use as preposition of place. On, number 3 is on. On is used with area to indicate where someone or something is. For example, firstly have a look at the example, then I will explain it. For example, the book is on the table. So student, here book is kept on the surface of the table. Have a look, one example more. The picture is on the wall. So the picture is hang on the surface of the wall. जो surface means the uppermost part of anything. Have a look, the one example more. The answer is on the page number 76. So the answer is on the surface of page number 73. Answer is the uppermost part of the page number 76. Now we will learn from and to as preposition of place. Number 4, from and to. From and to. Firstly, we will talk about from. From is used for starting at the particular place, position and condition. Now have a look the use of to. To is used for the point of destination. The point of destination. Have a look again. From is used for starting at the particular place, position and condition. And to is used for the point of destination. Let's understand through the example. For example, he went from Agra to Dehradun. Agra to Dehradun. From Agra to Dehradun. So student, from Agra means he have started his journey from Agra, starting at the particular place, position and condition. So he has started his journey from Agra, and to Dehradun means at the point of destination, मतलब जहां उसे पहुंचना है, जहां से शुरू किया तो आपको लगाना है फ्रॉम, और जहां पॉइंट है वो डेस्टिनेशन है तो वहां के लिए टू. हैव अ लुक नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. द ब्रिक dropped or fallen down, dropped from a height of 6 feet. From a height of 6 feet means he started to drop the brick from the height of 6 feet. उसने कहाँ से फेंकना शुरू किया? 6 फीट से. सो जहाँ से स्टार्टिंग होती है तो आप वहाँ पे फ्रॉम लगाएंगे. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. He comes from office. He comes from office at 6 p.m. So he started to come from his office at 6 p.m. कितने बजे से आता है? 6 बजे से आता है. कहाँ से आता है? उसका डेस्टिनेशन क्या है? ऑफिस. तो कहाँ से आता है वो? ऑफिस से आता है. Now we will learn use of into, out of and through as preposition of place. Number 5th, into, out of and through. Firstly, we will talk about the use of into as preposition of place. Into is normally used for a place seen as an area as a volume. Into is normally used for a place seen as an area as a volume. एक ऐसे देखा उस एरिया को देखा जाता है जैसे उसके पास वॉल्यूम हो, मतलब आकार घेरने की जगह हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he ran into the room. He ran into the room. And you can say that it is used for the movement also. In means वो चीज़ ऑलरेडी उस प्लेस पर है, और into means वो चीज़ मूवमेंट के साथ उस प्लेस पर आई. मीन्स he ran into the room मीन्स वह रूम में दौड़कर आया. वो ऑलरेडी नहीं था, वो आया. is in the room मीन्स वह रूम में है, वह है मगर मूवमेंट नहीं कर रहा है. मूवमेंट कर रहा भी है तो अचानक मूवमेंट नहीं किया. he ran into the room मीन्स वो बाहर से उस वॉल्यूम में, उस एरिया में, उस प्लेस में आया, मूवमेंट के साथ आया. नाउ यूज ऑफ आउट ऑफ इज यूज्ड फॉर डायरेक्शन अवे फ्रॉम an area usually enclosed by boundaries or seen as a volume. Have a look. Use of out of. So out of is used for direction away from an area, usually enclosed by boundary or seen as an volume. Direction के away. For example, he moved out of city yesterday. So student, out of means direction away from an area, means he gone away from the city, वह सिटी से बाहर चला गया. Have a look. Second example, the boys came out of the office, means he moved out away from ऑफिस, वह ऑफिस से बाहर आ गए. हैव अ लुक. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, हैव अ लुक द यूज ऑफ ट्रू. ट्रू इज indicates the moving into a space as volume from side and going outside of it from other side. Have a look again. Through indicates the moving. It indicates the moving into a space, into a place, moving into a place, seen as volume from side and going outside of it from other side. Means एक किसी प्लेस में से निकलकर, एक किसी जगह में से निकलकर बाहर की ओर निकल जाना, घुसकर बाहर की ओर फिर से निकल जाना। जैसे कि एक टनल होती है, टनल के अंदर घुसे और बाहर निकल गए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ट्रेन वेंट थ्रू द टनल, through the tunnel. Here train moved from one side to another. एक साइड उसमें से घुसकर, उसके वॉल्यूम में से घुसकर एक साइड से दूसरी साइड निकल आई। So there we will use through, means moving into a space. Train is moving into the space of tunnel. Seen as volume means वहाँ पे जगह भी है। From side एक साइड से घुसी, and moving out of it from other side, और मूव करते हुए दूसरी साइड से बाहर आ गई।